What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Melit coming at you with another great video today. Hold on, y'all. Yep. Huh?
Your mama Terry getting a 4 for 4.
A 4 for what?
Yeah.
Tell her I'll just get him something while we out.
Oh, alright.
Bye-bye. Alright, anyway, guys, that was my sister actually calling. We're trying to go ahead and get everything together so we can get this prank to rolling. But anywho, we're going to be doing a prank on her today, putting a fake snake in the washing machine. She actually comes over here like every week and wash her clothes. But today, when she opens up the lid off that washing machine and that fake snake will be sitting up in there. Yeah, I don't know if we should even do this because bless her little heart, she might have a little heart attack. But anyway, I got my son right here, Tez. I call him Quan. Everybody else calls him Tez. But Quan, he is going to be assisting me with setting the snake up. Why you looking like that?
Come on, man. Hurry up. I'll take a doo-doo. Stomach hurt. I'm for real. Come on.
So nasty. But anyway, he's going to go ahead and set the snake in the washing machine. I told him to go ahead and put some oil on it too so that it looks real, you know. But anyway, let us go ahead and get this set up and we'll be right back, guys. You acting like a butt.
This is so nasty.
What? Ooh, it looks so real. Look at Gloss it up now, boo. Gloss it up.
About to fry this joint.
I wish we had like a little remote control thing. We can kind of like make it move. Oh my gosh, she have a heart attack.
Mm-hmm.
You about to fry the snake?
Fry this joint.
You know people do eat snakes for real.
You know, snakes.
People do eat snakes, duh. Quan, y'all tell them people do. They eat snakes. People do eat snakes. Rattlesnake soup. Quan, I promise you. You know we straight out the country. I promise you. Look it up. Rattlesnake soup. Seriously. Ugh.
Alright, that's enough, bro.
Damn, now
The
you might
tape
not
ain't
be able
gonna
to pull
stick
this.
on
Put the tape on there.
Yeah, well,
Just throw it down in the bottom of there, cause
nah, bro. No. Where the tape at?
Oh, I don't know. So when she open it up, it's gonna be down at the bottom. Oh God bless her. What you doing?
I got it, bro. What? Come in, look at it.
Hold on, let me see.
See what this is gonna be, right? And then,
Oh,
you know what I'm saying?
no, what you saying? What? Don't let her see the tape, cause you see the tape, it's gonna be obvious.
No, it's not, Mom.
Oh God, just put it in there, man. Where you want to put it in.
She gonna be too scared to realize it's tape.
Oh my gosh. I mean, even if it
She
falls,
ain't able to see that.
even if it falls down in there, it'll be all right. Ooh, y'all,
Oh,
look at that! It looks so real. Oh, I have a heart attack. Wow, as soon as you pick it up, it's gonna. Oh God, she gonna be like, oh!
She gonna hit that thing like that dude. He said,
Slack. She might pee on her clothes. Make sure it's taped up there good now.
yeah, Mom.
Oh. Stop doing all that.
I'm making sure, Carl.
Make sure it's turned around so it can show the little red piece. The front of it. Let me see. That crap looks so freaking real. Okay then, guys. All right, y'all. Now I got to do my job now, y'all. I got to make sure I set the camera up right. So what?
Record my feet.
Record your feet.
Yeah, record my feet.
What's wrong with your feet?
She gonna be just like this.
You quit picking at my stuff. Pick that towel up with your stupid self and put that vacuum cleaner back up. Why you put that in there? That's not hers. Oh, y'all, that's her basket of clothes right here, y'all. She put the clothes in there and everything. Ready to wash them things over up. I shouldn't do my poor little sister like that. Hook it up, but either way, Quan, even if it do fall down in there, it's still in there.
I'm not gonna do like, hey,
Oh, that's your phone steady ding, ding, ding.
my phone at?
Right here. Okay, y'all. Alright, I gotta do my part and set everything up and put the camera in the right position. Make sure it's recording. Okay, y'all. Alright, y'all. Y'all stay tuned! Bless your Lord.
I had to wash the things out of my hand. I said, what is this? Lord, I let you cry. She said that.
Bless your little heart. Good, Jennifer. She said she gonna set our house on fire for pranking her. Jennifer, tell them how it feels to be pranked. Tell them how it feels to be pranked. I'm dead. I'm dead, y'all. I'm dead. Oh God. All right, y'all. We got her. That was good, y'all. We got her. I didn't think it was gonna work, y'all. But your reaction. Look at the snake, y'all. Oh Jesus. Oh God.
Hey, boy, now he need to put no clothes in here.
Jenna, we had to set it up. It was a ruse. What they call it, a ruse?
Damn, what's the shoes?
He had a cockroach too.
Cop down fucking rope.
You all right back there? You all right back there?
Who the hell you talking to?
You probably need to take them clothes and wash them too. You peed your clothes, did you?
God, no man.
Y'all, Kayla, that was it. You just see, she said, she do the way she said, ow!
The way she threw it.
Oh, Jesus. Khalil, it was epic, buddy. Khalil said he don't care. He just want his food.
Y'all get him the rest of this food.
Y'all, I'm glad Big Mouth didn't blow it. Here, eat your fries, Khalil.
Ooh.
You all right, Jennifer?
Yeah, no.
Jennifer. Jennifer.
Been somebody with some bad damn
Look
nerve.
at her back there, y'all.
Whatever.
Look at her back there. Oh, Jesus, bless it.
I'm about to watch a little bit at a time.
Oh,
We might be over here till the morning. Y'all
Jesus.
make me damn sick.
They give us a chance to put another one in there.
No.
All right, guys.
Get your head back first, take your goddamn head.
God is good. I ain't laughed like that in a long time, y'all. But anyway, we got him.
I know Quan was up to something there. That damn washing machine looked dry in here.
Oh, Jesus. Thank you, Quan, for being my assistant today. All right, guys.
I'm gonna get his ass.
Come here, Quan.
You ain't got nothing to do with that. You better stop playing me like that.
Y'all gonna keep on.
She gonna try to. There go, man. There go.
How you said she was gonna be walking over that car with her little happy feet? He said she was gonna be walking over like a little penguin. I should be walking car.
Quick first step, Hall of Fame. But you know,
Man.
tell me this cash out.
Excuse me, y'all. I'm so sorry.
That's all right.
I've been sick, y'all. I'm getting over a
You're
cold.
not gonna tell me this cash out card not hard, bro.
Hi.
Send me some money on that. Hashtag Teddy son.
Hashtag move yourself out the way. Move, y'all. To stop. Y'all to stop it. Stop. Oh my God. All right. Anyway, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not done so yet, please, please, please subscribe to our channel. If you think this was funny, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and share. Also, comment down below of what other pranks you would like us to do, and we will do it. Jennifer, you've been pranked. All right, guys. Again, thank you so much for watching. Keep watching. There's much more to come. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.